Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, this one was an IPO today and was a very, very solid IPO, made a good move, and now has kind of consolidated out. And now that things have played out, going into Friday, we have some very nicely defined technical areas. And I like nicely defined technical areas because you know that a lot of people have noticed them. And a lot of other people have noticed certain areas and are wondering the same things. I mean, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy. Call it whatever you want. You can definitely have some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have going on going into Friday is, like I said, just some good, well-defined levels. And the first well-defined area comes from the support side of things. And that's right down here around $16.20. I mean, the price got down there several times, and each and every time the price did a great job of holding strong, which makes it interesting. And let me reiterate, there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market. But my point here is that if the price were to come down here to 16.20 and then drop down below it, not a guarantee, but definitely a valid, rational thought to have that, all right, well, that could definitely create some downside selling pressure. So that's certainly going to be that first key level of support. And then, of course, if that level doesn't quite hold up, I'm not saying it's headed down there, but just because of the limited data, given it was an IPO, next level of support essentially not until down there around $15.10. However, on the flip side of things, and again, a lot of people are going to be watching this one, especially those breakout players, going to be watching this area right here at that round number of 17. So again, not a guarantee of anything, but a valid thought to have that if the price can stabilize, work its way upwards, and then get a break of 17, that could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So those are really going to be the two main technical levels to watch. Now, if 17 can be broken, might have a little bit of a roadblock around 1730. And then up there at 1750, if that area can be broken, then at that point, literally the sky's the limit because that would be a blue sky breakout because you just don't have any more data at that point in time. But overall, it'll looking like it'll be a very interesting Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.